still digging through random Windows folders to find that one snare? It's 2026, and if your browser isn't synced, your creativity is taking a hit. And today I'm showing you how to link your sample packs to FL Studio in under 2 minutes using the new Smart Index features. Let's get your library organized. And the first is just using the fastest method, which is opening your computer's file explorer or Finder and locating your sample pack folder. And the power move here is simply drag that folder and drop it directly onto the FL Studio browser sidebar. And FL will instantly ask if you want to add this as a permanent search folder. Just hit yes. The advantage, your samples are now indexed and searchable via the Ctrl+F global search without you ever touching a settings menu. And if you have a massive external SSD, do this instead. Go to Options, File Settings. Look for the Browser Extra Search Folders section. Click the default icon in an empty slot and select your master samples directory. Give it a custom name in the browser name column, like Techno Vault, for example, so it stands out in your browser. This keeps your internal drive clean and your external library ready to go. Your browser is now a powerhouse. If this quick setup helped you sharpen your production workflow, smash that like and subscribe.